Got our office chores done. Now we're off to go show some houses. See you back in Mount Airy. Got a new client we're starting with today. The light's automatic. Don't worry, I turn them off all the time. But starting with new clients today. Big thanks to my friend Amanda Moneypenny for the referral. See you out there.
A window here and this little nook.
You almost
can't even make it.
Just finished at house number 1. Great house, amazing view. Just not quite big enough. We need a little more square footage. House number 2, here we go. See what the inside looks like.
Yeah, that's it. Maybe that's, oh, I bet that's the pantry maybe.
So you have the kitchen here, and then here.